What's up, guys? So today is a beautiful day outside, hanging out with Gus. Right, Gus? And we're doing some clean out because the weather is perfect for that. Yard work. Right now I'm cleaning out the porch. But I got a new folding chair. This is the old one, which served me well. There's no problem with this chair. It's oversized. It holds up to like 400 pounds or something crazy. Because of the cross, members on the bottom there, it's a little uncomfortable. I mean, when I sit in it, the front sags a little. I can feel my legs rubbing on that. It's not horrible or anything, but this is a chair I've had for years. I probably had this at least 4 or 5 years, maybe. Got this at Lowe's for like maybe 40 bucks, but it was worth it. It was worth investing the money in a good folding chair. But I just found these at Walmart. My wife got that one for like $18, and this one I think was $35. Okay, that one has like a 400-pound capacity. This has like a 600-pound capacity. All right, so it works up to 600 pounds, which is plenty. But it folds up. It's more of a director's chair style, but I really like it. I've had it about a week now, and that's why I'm making the video, just to say, warm weather months are, coming upon us for a lot of people. Summer's around the corner, as you can hear from the annoying leaf blower in the background down the road somewhere. It's summertime, or springtime coming into summer, so that means a lot of people are buying stuff like this. But I'm really, really liking this a lot. Folds out very, very easy. 2 little, carry handles on top. But you can do this one hand. Just folds out, just like that. Okay, you can see I'm gonna push this down. This is the chair part of it. Just like so. It's a lot easier when you're not holding a camera. All right, and this happens to have a table, just like the other one. All right, so the table lifts up. You see there's little tabs on the side here. So you want to fold it down, you just push down on that. Same on the other side. All right, just a hinge. All right, but once this is open, I mean, this is pretty sturdy table. I don't know how much weight the table itself can support, but it's got a nice cup holder here, which accommodates a mug. All right, this also pops out from the bottom. You just have to push the tabs in. All right, so if you want to put a wine glass or something like that that pokes through the bottom or anything that's longer, you could certainly do that. But it is just really, really comfortable. The difference is that this doesn't flex that much. It's also padded. All right, the back's padded. Just really nice. For $35, it's a really good investment. So I figured I'd make a video on it real quick. I mean, a ton of people go to Walmart all the time. If you happen to be in the market for a folding chair, I would really recommend this one. Nothing wrong with the older style. Like I said, it works. It's just this sags a lot. All right, and obviously you can see this one's starting to rip too. Because it's sagging, it puts a lot of stress on all those seams. All right, but this has more of a, I don't know, like a stronger frame style. But it's just really nice. I mean, I sit on it, it's sturdy, it's comfortable. I like it. Anyway, got to get back to work now. Just wanted to mention that because I am quite enjoying it. So I figured I'd throw it out there in case anyone else is looking for a good one. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you're enjoying the weather wherever you are. And I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Take care.